Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you find jobs in LinkedIn. So first thing is log into your LinkedIn account. So once I've logged in, so here is I'm on my homepage. So once you're logged in, what you have to do is you will see an option here called jobs. So click on that jobs. So once you click on this here, by default there will be some recommendations for you by LinkedIn. This is based on your profile and your niche, on your industry that's related to you. So there will be some recommendation here. So what you can do is click click on those companies here because they might have positions, or if you scroll down, there might be job post that's been post here, like vacancies post. So click on all those things. For example, something like this here, hiring in your network. So this is based on my profile that's available vacancies here. So click on it. You can click on show all. So you can click on it and then open the, yep, you can click on it. For example, this one, solutions architect. So click on it. So you can read about the job profile and everything. And if it suits to you, if you think it's suitable to you, so all you can do is click on the apply option here. And then you can just follow the instructions, whatever it says there. So like this, so you can look for many other jobs as well, all based on your profile. So just one quick tip is that please make sure that your profile is quite up to date and relevant, because that will help you to get a job much more. It's more efficient to have a up to date profile and save your resume as well. Thank you.